In this video, a nurse will understand the various aspects of the pregnancy confirmation test, early sign of pregnancy, HCG level during pregnancy, articles required, steps of procedure, aftercare, and most importantly, what to do when things go wrong. In other words, the common clinical errors. This table depicts the HCG levels during pregnancy in weeks since last menstrual period. HCG levels during pregnancy is measured in terms of milli-international unit per ml. So next we are going to discuss about the home pregnancy test. A home pregnancy test is very easy and quick to use. Home pregnancy test doesn't require any prescription. A kit includes a strip which reacts to the HCG in urine. In general, to get the most accurate results with any home pregnancy test, you will need to check the expiry date, test your first morning urine. Morning urine usually has more HCG than the urine later in the day. So next we are going to discuss about the blood and the urine test for the confirmation of pregnancy. Equipments required: a tray containing loose gloves, clean sheet, hand rub, apply the tourniquet 3-4 inches above the collection site. Disinfect the selected site with the help of 70% isopropyl alcohol swab from center to periphery. Now withdraw the blood by applying a red Vacutainer. Immediately after taking a sample, release the tourniquet.
This is just a trailer, but if you are really interested in learning all clinical procedures, we have a video library that includes all clinical procedures followed at NABH JCI accredited hospitals. You know, all the videos are demonstrated by the clinical experts working at NABH JCI accredited multi-specialty hospitals. And the most important features of this video is that they include common clinical errors. Hey, so what are you waiting for? Contact us here and improve your clinical skills. Thank you.